I'm attorney Mulmar Reed, and I've guided over 1,000 clients through complex legal processes. Will your insurance company pay for your property damage? It depends on whether or not you have collision coverage. Even if you were not at fault and someone hits you and you only have liability coverage, your insurance company will not pay for your property damage. They will only pay for your property damage if you elect to pay for collision coverage, which isn't mandatory in California. So I've had many situations where a client will come and say, hey, the other car that hit me that was at fault didn't have any insurance. Is my insurance going to pay for my car? And my first question is, do you have collision coverage? If you have collision coverage, yes, they will pay for your car if you pay your deductible. If you don't have collision coverage, you're shit out of luck. No one's going to pay for your car, especially if the other car that hit you doesn't have any coverage and they're not independently rich. Chances are you're going to have to pay for your car even though you were not at fault. If you can, get some collision coverage on your vehicles.